Hi there, my name is Hendrik. I'm talking to you from Belgium, the land of cycling, and I'm actually in the Ahooga headquarters at their production line now. I used to be a bike dealer a couple of years ago, started with one shop, ended up with 20. Now, these days, I'm helping out a lot of bike companies on their products, their go to markets, and other challenges they face. Now, the people at Ahooga asked me to talk a bit about their latest development, the Ahooga Max, in which they've invested 3 years of development. And actually, I'd love to do it because I love the product and I'm really proud of being a small part of its development. Actually, the engineers of Ahooga, the question they asked themselves was saying like, okay, a bike is great for in cities, but it has a lot of disadvantages. It gets stolen all the time. You need a garage to keep it safe. It's incompatible with any other mode of transportation, car, bus, subway. So they actually spent 3 years designing this wonderful foldable e-bike that you see here, which actually is as compact as it gets and allows you to basically trolley it. You don't even have to carry it, to trolley it through train stations, towards the bus, on sidewalks, and whatever. And it's really well thought through, fantastically integrated. And I'll show you maybe where you can find the battery that you simply key locked take out. You can charge it off the bike, but the guys have also foreseen a charging port so you can actually charge it on the bike. So it's actually a fantastic compact piece of design. So basically what I told you so far are the benefits of a well-designed foldable e-bike. But the real magic of the Ahooga Max happens when you unfold it. Let me show that for you. You flip it open. You lock in front and back. And basically what you have then is a fantastic BMX geometry city bike. And unlike other folding bikes who basically cut their single tube frames in half to be able to fold it, Ahooga Max has an integrated triangle frame. And that simply gives you so much more comfort, so much more solidity when riding it. Basically anything the city throws at you, you can absorb with this bike. You have big tires, you have integrated gears, you have integrated lighting. Maybe let me show that for you. So everything is basically totally integrated, totally maintenance proof, this bike. You have rear racks, which are available, front racks to carry cargo. So again, anything you can encounter in the city, this bike can conquer it. And of course, you don't have to take my word for it, but go and test it and then think by yourself, yeah, this guy was actually right.